The next function we're going to use is called text. What text does is it takes a numeric value and turns it into a text equivalent. This is really important because there are some things that we can do with text that we can't do with numbers. We can multiply numbers, we can perform arithmetic operations on them, and we can use numeric functions on them. But there are some things that we can't do, such as replacing values, replacing digits inside of those numbers. We can do that with text. So what has to happen here? You might remember in an earlier video I told you we're going to have a fixed retail value here where we take those digits, whatever they are, and we make them $9.99. So this should be $359.99 because we want to give it that all familiar retail feel, right? So in order to do that, I've got to take this, which is currently a numeric value, and I've got to convert it to a text value. We're going to use the text function. Let's see how the text function works first. I'll do equal sign, type the word text. Since that is a function, Excel picks up on that and it prompts me for what I'm trying to do here. And I'll do an opening parenthesis, and then we have the value and then the format. And this is the beauty of the text function. Not only does it convert the number, but it allows us to format that with certain parameters. So let's say the value 4567.1. Okay, and then we'll do a comma, and now the format text. If I wanted to format this as currency, and again, what's going to happen here is the numeric value we entered in, it's going to display and look like currency, but it's not going to be a numeric value per se. It's going to be displayed as a string of text. So how do we want to format that? We're going to put a double quote, and then a $sign, 0.00, and then another double quote, and then a closing parenthesis. What that tells Excel to do, or what it tells more specifically the text function to do, is to take that numeric value and make it fit into this format. And when I hit enter, there we go. It is formatted as a decimal. The only thing it didn't do is put a comma there, which we normally would do with thousands, right? So let's fix that. We're going to go back into our format here. I'm going to do 0,000 and hit enter. And now it has matched up with that formatting. So the 0 is kind of like a placeholder for a numeric digit. But again, what we have actually created here is a string of text. This is not the number $4,567.10. It is a string of text. What that means is that we can manipulate each individual character and put something else there, and that's what we intend to do with this. But first, we're going to take what we have learned with the text function, and we're going to add it to our existing formula, this one up here. Okay, and we're going to do that in the next video.